There's goodbye to all the beautiful people on the dock. No, it's goodbye to everybody else. Bye! You'll never see them again. Welcome to the world famous jungle cruise. My name's Abigail. I'll be your skipper for as far as I can get. There's 3 main rules here in the jungle. Rule number 1, do not fall in love with me. I have commitment issues. Rule number 2, do not jump in the water. I can't swim. And rule number 3, please do remain seated with your arms and legs inside the boat and watch your children. Children! Watch your parents. I don't trust them. We're just passing by the Amazon rainforest. You guys feel that? You feel that? Yeah, no, I missed it. Right here on the right-hand side, it is our first signs of wildlife. Ooh. They stand on their 2 hind legs, the turkey legs, and wait in extremely long lines. Yeah, but don't let the cute and curly ones fool you. They will latch onto you for 18 to 35 years and they will never let you go. I know, it's what my mom told me when I was supposed to move out of the house 3 years ago. Oh, coming up ahead here on the left-hand side, it is our Indo-Chinese tiger. Now, these tigers can actually weigh up to 500 pounds and have a 20-foot vertical leap. Isn't that amazing? And then here are my 3 besties from high school. Hey, guys. Hi. Oh, and be careful with Ginger. Ginger, stop! Yeah, no, she is one tough cookie. I'm sorry, that's a crummy joke. Can I just keep milking it? Now heading into the Indian elephant bathing pool. Now you can take as many pictures as you want. They do have their trunks on. Oh, would you look at that? The whole herd is here. That's unheard of. These elephants, they too can weigh up to 500 pounds and have a 20-foot vertical leap. Isn't that amazing? Right here we have Bertha. Say hi to Bertha. Hi, Bertha. Yeah, no, she stayed in that water a little too long. She became an elephant. That's why my mom tells me I shouldn't take long showers. So at this point, I don't shower. Whoa, Squirt, get down, buddy. Get down, get down, get down, get down. I said I don't shower. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh no, he's coming back up already, Doc. I'm not kidding. 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 I'm just kidding. Trust me, I never put you in any sort of danger. Well, that's dangerous. Let's get closer. Oh no! Would you look who's here to pay me a visit? It's my in-laws. Yeah, but you guys want to know what's the main difference between in-laws and outlaws? Outlaws are wanted. So my in-laws, they too can weigh up to 500 pounds and have a 20-foot vertical leap. Isn't that amazing? Over here we have some bamboo. That bamboo is 4 stories tall. We brought in an extra and he says it was 5 stories. Yeah, but that's a whole nother story. Now right up ahead we have the glistening Schweitzer Falls, named after a famous archaeologist, Dr. Albert Falls. But we'll go over that later. Now heading down the Nile River. Now the Nile River can actually go down for Niles. And Niles. And Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're in. Disbelief, since y'all want to take my jokes so badly. Yeah, seriously. Here we have 2 beautiful African bull elephants. Fun fact about the African bull elephant, they can also weigh up to 500 pounds and have a 20-foot vertical leap. Isn't that amazing? All right, Bobo, we're going to do a trick, okay? Speak! Louder! Good job, Bobo. I taught him that trick myself. All right, now we're going to head into the gorgeous African Veldt. Let me tell you, this place is strange. You're going to see gazelles, zebras, giraffes, and wildebeest, but you won't see any koalas. You want to know why? They weren't koalified. And here we have a pack of lions protecting a sleeping zebra. Everybody say, aww. Aww. It looks dead. Tired. Oh, here we have a rhino. These rhinos can actually weigh up to 500 pounds and have a 20-foot vertical leap. Isn't that amazing? At the bottom of the boulder, that's my dear friend Skipper Felix. Fun fact, today was his first day. Yeah, it's probably his last. I was told that I shouldn't drive the boats backwards because I'm prone to making wrong turns, but I would never do that. I've actually been driving these boats for years, and I know this jungle like the back of my hand. I made a wrong turn. Don't worry, I'll scare them off with this. Okay, everybody, cover your ears! Okay, that didn't work. You know what? Let me try these guns instead. Wow, that scared them stiff. I look at the hippos up in the trees. Now, why is the hippos up in the trees? It's because hippos can weigh up to 500 pounds and have a 20-foot vertical leap that size. It's amazing. You know, my friends, they say, hey, Abigail, you're just so easy. I bet a monkey can do it. That's funny. Could you imagine seeing a monkey drive a boat? Oh. Those are chimps. I would tell you the main difference, but it's a long tail. Oh, would you look at these two lovebirds? They have butterflies all around them. The one on the left we call her Maggie. The one on the right we call her Annette. Yeah, no, she's quite the catch. The butterflies, these aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars. Now right up ahead is the moment you've all been waiting for. It is known as the amazing eighth wonder of the world. Make some noise, folks. It's the backside of water! Woo! Oh, 2, 8. Okay, 2 out of 40. That's my record so far. It's okay. It's okay. The ninth wonder of the world. The first kind of rock. Yeah, no, it's limestone, but a lot of people tend to take it for granted. Yeah, those are my sediments exactly. I say it's pretty solid. Others say it's quite marvelous. I think it's one of the motor attractions here at the park. Really quite the view. Sometimes gets a little dated, but you know, it's just one of those diamonds in the rock. I heard there was a school of piranhas here, but you know, it's Saturday. There is no school, so I guess they're not coming out. Now right up ahead here, we do have a python sitting in a tree. Never got a relationship with a boa. That's why I think it's sticking. You can hear as my friend Anna. Anaconda. Here we have the jungle navigation company Lost and Found. So if you do lose anything here today, you could buy right back and it will be considered found. You guys see how monkey's spinning round and round in circles? I think he's trying to set a whole new record. Here are my dear friend Veldt, the monkey phone. So here we go. I'll take all the pictures you want for free. All I need is the exposure. Oh, and a lot of people think it's water that comes out of Ellie's trunk. It's not. Hey, little love bugger. Alright, friends, that is the scariest part of our tour. So let's turn back to civilization. Oh, no! But just a few quick reminders before we head back. Please do remain seated until the boat comes to a complete stop. Also keep your arms and legs inside the boat as we arrive back to the dock. Once again, my name is Skipper Abigail. Do tell your friends and family to journey here throughout the jungle today. Keep the lines down. Word from my sponsors, Animal Crackers. They teach kids that all animals do, in fact. Taste the same. Up ahead here we have two fabulous skippers helping us unload this boat today. We have Skipper Harley and Skipper Mike. Fun fact about Skipper Mike, he can weigh up to 500 pounds and have a 20-foot vertical leap. Isn't that amazing? Get out.